Hello students, this is Vittal Mamilla working as PGT Mathematics in TS Model School, Elgandal. In this video, we are going to see the syllabus and weightage of Maths 2B. So if you see intermediate second year for both TS and AP, same syllabus for Maths 2B, we are going to see now the syllabus and weightage of the each chapter. In Maths 2B, total we are having 8 chapters which is divided into 2 sections. The first section is coordinate geometry and the second section is calculus. In the first section we are having 5 chapters and in the second section we are having 3 chapters, total 8 chapters. The first chapter of the section 1 coordinate geometry is circles. Circles is the most important chapter because the weightage of circles is, if you see 7 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. That means 2 7-mark question, 1 4-mark question, 2 2-mark questions. 2 long answers, 1 short answer and 2 very short answer, total 22 marks. So that is the most important chapter which is having weightage of 22 marks. And the second chapter is system of circles which is having weightage of 4 plus 2, 1 short answer, 1 very short answer, total 6 marks. In fact, both are same only, circles and system of circles, but given as separate chapters. Circles comprising total weightage of 28 marks. The third chapter of the first section is parabola. Parabola is having 7 plus 2, 1 long answer and 1 very short answer, total 9 marks from parabola. Fourth chapter is the ellipse. Ellipse is having weightage of 8 marks which is having both 2 short answer question, 4 plus 4. And the fifth chapter is hyperbola. Hyperbola is having weightage of 6 marks, 1 short answer question and 1 very short answer question, 4 plus 2. So total 5 chapters from section 1 which is having 51 marks of weightage. 51 marks of weightage from section 1 which is of coordinate geometry. And coming to the section 2, calculus, you have studied in the first year 1B differentiation, limits and continuity. So this all comes in the calculus. The inverse process of differentiation will be integration. Integration is the inverse process of differentiation. Here the sixth chapter we are having is integration which is having 2 7-mark question and 2 2-mark question. Total weightage is 18 marks. In the calculus, the highest weightage for integration which is 18 marks, 2 long answers and 2 very short answers. So integration is the most important chapter for your MSET or IIT or any other competitive exam. Integration is the most important chapter. If you learn integration perfectly, you can do easily definite integration and also differential equation. So the most important chapter from the calculation is integration. Okay, so total integration consists of formula based. Okay, so integration is having 18 marks weightage. 7th chapter is a definite integration. Definite integration is 7th chapter is definite integration which is having 15 marks of weightage. 7 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. 1 long answer, 1 short answer and 2 very short answers. Total definite integration is 15 marks. And the last chapter is differential equations. So differential equations having weightage of 7 plus 4 plus 2. 1 long answer, 1 short answer and 1 very short answer. Total 13 marks for differential equation. So if you see the weightage for part 1 and part 2 or section 1 and section 2, section 1 coordinate geometry is having 51 marks weightage and section 2 is having 46 marks weightage. So total our marks will be 51 from section 1 and 46 from section 2 calculus. Total marks are 97 marks for Maths 2B. So you know that from 97 marks question paper is given for 97 marks. As you know, the pattern of question paper is the first bit is very short answer questions. Very short answer, how many you have to do? Total 10 question, each is of 2 marks, 20 marks. 20 marks very short answer. And second one is short answer questions. Total 5 you have to attempt, and we each 4 marks, 20 marks. And the third one is long answer. The third section is long answer. Long answer is also same. 5 questions you have to attempt. Each carries 7 marks. Total 35 marks. Total 35 marks. So 35 plus 20 will be your 75 marks. If you see the second section, short answer, you will having 2 choice. 2 choice, each 4 marks. So 8 marks you can have a choice. And also for third bit, you are having same 2 choice, each carries 7 marks, 14 marks. So 22 marks as a choice. So 75 plus 22 will be 70, 90, 97 marks. So the question paper will be given for 97 marks, but you have to attempt only for 75 marks. This is about Maths 2B question paper and the syllabus weightage. Understand? Now in the next video we are going to see in detail about the circle chapter. In the next video we are going to see about circle chapter. Okay, thank you.